Hello guys, and welcome to episode 6 in my Every Node in Godot series. Today we're going to have a look at the AudioStreamPlayer2D, and we're going to build the following application. We have this sound icon here, and when we move with the arrow keys, you can hear that the position of the sound is moving in the speakers depending on where the sound icon is. Alright, before we get started, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The source code is up on my GitHub page. The link is in the description. Start by creating a new project, and once the project has opened, create a 2D scene. Rename the node to main. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Create the scenes folder and save the main.tscene file in here, like so. Then we're going to right click on the scenes folder, click a new folder, and we can call this audio icon position. And click on OK. Then right click on the audio icon position folder, click a new folder, type in GFX. You're going to right click the GFX folder and open in the file manager. And I'm going to copy in the sprite here. You can use whatever sprite you want. We can close this guy down. Then right click on the audio icon position folder, click on new scene. And we can call this audio icon position. Click on OK. Click on 2D scene. Right click on the node and click on change type. And we're going to make it a kinematic body 2D. And click on change. Right click on the node. Click on add child node and find the collision shape 2D. And you can just put whatever you want in here. So click on shape. Add a rectangle like so. Rename this guy to audio icon position. Right click this guy. Click on add child node and find the sprite. Click on create. Rename the sprite to audio icon. Then we're going to drag the audio icon.png to the audio icon sprite as a texture. The sprite is a bit too big, so I'm going to scale it down to 0.5. Right? Next, we're going to right click on the audio icon position here. I'm going to click on attach script. And we're going to add the audio icon position C# script here. So make sure C# is selected in the dropdown. And click on create. And then here we're going to add the script for the movement. We're going to have the max speed, which is the maximum speed we can move around with. And we're going to have the acceleration. And we're going to have the friction. And we're going to have the velocity. Next, underneath the ready method, we're going to have the following method called move audio icon. This is going to take in the delta time here. First, initialize the input vector. Then we get the horizontal and the vertical input strength. Then we're going to normalize the vector so it won't go faster when you're pressing two keys at the same time. Then we check here if the audio icon is not moving. And if so, we're going to interpolate the speed towards 0. Otherwise, if the audio icon is moving, we're going to calculate the velocity here by taking the input vector, multiplying that with our acceleration, multiplied with the delta time. And finally, we're going to make sure that we limit the strength of the velocity to the maximum speed, so we will not exceed that. And finally, we're going to use the built-in move and slide method to move the sprite around. Save the script. And now we need to plug this guy into the physics process. Down here. Now we can save the file. Let's go back to the Godot editor. You can save the scene here, so press Ctrl S. Next, we're going to create a new scene. So click here on scene, new scene. Click on 2D scene. Now rename this guy to audio position demo. Now right click this guy, click on add child node, find the AudioStreamPlayer2D, and click on create. Next, we're going to right click the audio position demo node. Then we're going to click here on instant child scene. And we're going to add the audio icon position to this guy. So click on open. Now press Ctrl S to save the scene. And we can create a new folder here called audio position demo. Click on OK. And click on save. Like so. Next, we can go here to the audio position demo folder. Right click this guy and click a new folder. Let's type in SFX here. We can right click the SFX folder and open this guy in the file manager. And here you can put whatever sound effect you want. I have a sound effect here with a stream. Then go to the SFX folder, click on the sound effect, go to import and make sure that loop is set to be on. Next, we're going to go to the scene and we're going to drag the stream.og file to the AudioStreamPlayer2D. Then set max distance to be 1000 instead. I'm going to click here on autoplay because I want this to play all the time in the background. Let's save the file. Next, we're going to right click on the audio position demo node. Click on attach script. Make sure it's a C# script. Click on create. And at the top, we are going to add two variables. We're going to have our audio icon, and we're going to have our audio stream. And inside of the ready method, we are going to get the audio icon, which has the name audio icon position. And we're going to get the AudioStreamPlayer2D here as well, which are these two guys. And then we're going to uncomment the process method. And inside of this guy, we're going to set the audio stream position to be the audio icon position. Like so. Minimize. Save the scene here. You can go to the main scene, right click the main node, click on instance child scene. I'm going to get the audio position demo scene right there and click on open. And now we can click on play on the main scene. No main scene has ever been defined. Select one. I'm going to click here on select current for the main scene. Right now we have the icon in the top corner. So if I move this guy, you can hear the sound coming from the left and the right speaker in different amounts depending on where the icon is on the screen. So the final adjustment we can do is to go here to audio position demo, move this guy to the center of the screen. I'm going to click on play again. And then we start with the icon centered on the screen and you can hear the sound in both of the speakers at the same time. Alright guys. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one and see you in the next video. Bye for now.